Before you were born, someone was already working with you. That someone is your chi. Chi is not just a guardian spirit, it is you but greater. In Igbo belief, chi is your personal god. Not the same for everyone. My chi is different from your chi. It shapes your destiny, your luck, your struggle, and your success. When people say onye nwere chi yaka, it means you are in alignment with your divine purpose. But when your chi is asleep, nothing works. That is why Ada pray, my chi, plead for me. If things are not moving in your life, don't blame people. Ask, is my chi angry or am I working against it? Your chi is your higher self. It can be guided but not bribed. Know your chi, respect it, and speak to it. What has your chi done for you lately? Tell us in the comment section. Thank you.